Okay, here we are. For entertainment purposes only, I just discovered this today. So if you go right here to AI mode on Google, you hit that. Then right here, you push the plus sign and you'll see create image. This is on an iPad, by the way. And then you put in your description. A pod of orca whales singing to the universe with sparkly stars overhead. And then push enter. And it's generating an image with Nano Banana. And here is the image. Holy schmoly, that's beautiful. And I like to hit the thumb up if I like the image. That's a way of showing appreciation. Then you can go to this image and say, save to photos. And there you have it, my dears. I just discovered how to do this morning. I love this image. I love this image. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The universe is within. So the best way we can take care of the universe is to take care of our within. True story. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're having a restorative Sunday. I hope you're making some calm for yourself. Just stand in your light. Keep the home fires burning. Stand in your light. Say good prayers for who needs them. Ask for extra angels for every person, every beating heart, and every situation that requires it, that needs it, that you wish to send love to. Make sure you're grounded, being kind to yourself and others. Eat healthy, drink lots and lots of water. It's helping us process and transmute energies. All right. Well, bye for now, and thanks again for stopping by.